Okay, hello everyone. Let's go for the brain teaser exercise that we have today. And the question was, this is a very simple web page, probably the most clean and simple one out of the big players in the internet. No? So what can we change? In fact, what can we remove from this page so that it generates $120 million more per year? And the right answer is what Kim said, removing the I'm feeling lucky button. Because if you remove that, I mean, when people click on the I'm feeling lucky button, they are directed to the top organic result, and then they skip the sponsor links. So those are lost revenues. And if you remove that button, you would earn all these revenues that you are skipping right now. Okay. So the other ideas that you suggested, like including advertising and so on one hand they generate money because it's advertising. On the other hand, you lose money from your traditional business because you divert part of the traffic to this other advertising. And in general, as Antonio said, it's against the philosophy of Google, which is very focused. I mean, Google search very focused on the service that it provides. And if you look in the internet, both mobile and desktop website, those companies that are the most successful are the ones that are single used, like WhatsApp or this kind of stuff, or Google in this case. So, what is the point of this brain teaser? It's not discussing about the I'm feeling lucky, but what is the point? The point of this brain teaser is that design, user experience design, or websites, the design of websites and mobile applications is more a science than an art. That small changes in the design of a homepage, for example, might have a significant impact on the revenues and the economics of this business. So everything needs to be measured with Google Analytics or any other web analytics tool, but we need to track everything that the user is doing on my website to optimize their experience based on data. Okay, so this is going to be the purpose of this session. So just to give you an idea, to put it to the extreme, Google a few months ago did an experiment with testing 50 different tones of blue in the title of the sponsor ads. Okay, so the conclusions, they found the right tone of blue that drives the highest CTR, click-through rate. Okay, and if you extrapolate that to the total number of searches that are worldwide, that means again more than $200 million or something like that. Okay, in fact, it is known as in the internet as the 50 shades of blue in Google, this experiment. So this is just to put it to the extreme, how the design decisions are made not based on subjective or what I like the best, or I like this blue instead of other, I like the button here or there, I like this color instead of this other one. Everything is A/B testing, test or ABCD testing. Test different variations and see the one that is performing the best. And this is what this session is all about. User experience, more a science than an art. So what we are going to see during this session is follow the journey of the customer in a website, from when he or she is landed on the landing page, on the corresponding landing page after clicking, for example, in one of the results of Google, and then tracking their activity until they end up purchasing something, so that we understand where are we losing each customers in the purchasing process. Okay, so we're going to structure in these six steps that you see in the slide below, and we are going to understand what are the drivers at each of these stages. So let's go for it now. Thank you.